Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play Skyrim in third person using an easy method. Switching your perspective is incredibly simple, requiring just one button press on your controller or keyboard. This allows you to instantly see your character and the beautiful world around you from a new angle. It's a fantastic way to experience the game, offering a different feel for exploration and combat. Let's dive into how you can master this view. Once you're in third person, you have full control over the camera. You can easily zoom in and out using your mouse wheel on PC or the right analog stick on consoles. This lets you get up close to your character or pull back for a wider perspective. You can also rotate the camera around your character to get the perfect angle, whether you're admiring your armor or planning your next move. Experiment to find what feels best for you. Playing in third person can significantly enhance both combat and exploration. In battle, you'll have a clearer understanding of your character's spatial awareness, making it easier to dodge attacks and position yourself strategically. When exploring, you'll appreciate the vast landscapes and intricate details of your character's armor and weapons. It truly adds another layer to the immersive experience, allowing you to connect more deeply with your Dragonborn's journey. Ultimately, playing Skyrim in third person is about customizing your experience to best suit your style. Whether you prefer a close-up, over-the-shoulder view for intense combat, or a wider shot for scenic exploration, the choice is yours. Seeing your character's unique gear and animations in action adds a wonderful touch to the adventure. It's an easy way to refresh your gameplay and deepen your connection to the epic world of Tamriel. Give it a try.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.